आज देश के प्रधानमंत्री गोवा आएंगे. The Prime Minister of India will come to Goa. I want to ask him simple questions. Today, if the Prime Minister of India makes a statement that they're willing all 5 seats comfortably, फिर तो कुछ सवाल उनसे पूछना बनता है. जो प्रधानमंत्री मीडिया से तो मिलेंगे नहीं, आप लोगों को पूछने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा, पर हम प्रधानमंत्री से पूछना चाहते हैं, your double engine government has given what to Goa? Your double engine government, so-called double engine governments of Center and Goa have given 3 linear projects, which is in complete ignorance of the ecosystem of Goa. Today, a so-called double engine Sarkar, which had said that Palaji will be a smart city out of the 100 smart city with an outlay of 608 crores, can only say they spent 16 crores, that too for beautification. Today, I want to ask the double engine Sarkar, why is it that a man holding a constitutional post of the governor is today accusing the Goa government of corruption and you have taken no action against him? You may have removed him from one state to another, but should you not have given an answer or condemned him? But you continued him. You continued him in a constitutional pace, albeit in a different state, which means there is some truth to the deep corruption that the double engine Sarkar has today given the Goa people. We would like to ask the double engine Sarkar, which boasts of vaccinations, what is it you all did when 80 odd patients died in a matter of 3 days during the COVID attack due to oxygen, to the shortage of oxygen? Today, these are the reasons.